The new tripod uses a quick flip lock and a weighted tripod base to increase stability, so it will not tip over. You can easily adjust the phone holder to find the angle you want: horizontal, vertical, high angle, low angle, etc. The tripod is spring-loaded and extendable. It is compatible with almost all smartphones, with or without mobile phone cases. Suitable for most devices that support USB ports, such as laptops, PCs, mobile power supplies, USB chargers, AC adapters, etc. There are 4 buttons on the power cord. You can turn on/off the power, switch the lighting mode, adjust the brightness level. You can easily find the choice you want in a few seconds. So, don't hesitate. It's a good choice for you. Dimmable ring light, upgrade tripod stand, rotatable mobile phone holder, suitable for most devices that support USB ports. Easily control the power cord on/off or switch to your favorite lighting mode.